Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into my short on Ethereum. We're going to look at Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen. We're going to look at the stock market, which is holding up surprisingly well. It turns out this nuclear thing is not as bad as it seems, but still I see this narrative getting worse. So we need to be very defensive. We're going to jump into technicals for stocks, cryptos, and Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you'd like, hit the subscribe button, join. We're going to hit 70,000 people today. There's the Burj Khalifa behind me. Oh no, it's a different building. There's the Burj Khalifa. And hopefully we start getting Burj Khalifa sized candles. Hit the thumbs up button down there, subscribe, and let me know if you want to, what do you think is going to happen? Are you starting to buy? If you want me to analyze any tickers, let me know the tickers in the description. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Going into Bitcoin, oh, that's not the technicals. So we're going into the technicals now for Bitcoin. The market is pulling back quite a bit today. We're having Alpaca, some alts up slightly, but most of the market down. Uber down 6%. I sold all my shares earlier today. If you followed my live trades, the join button is down below. You can join the YouTube membership. Ethereum down 5%, one down, coin down 5%. Luckily, I got out of the stock markets. I know people are like, oh, you just bought and then it went up like 30%, then you sold and it dropped 10%. But for me, 10% is massive to my portfolio. So making 30% on the pump and then selling the drop before it happens, that's still making 60%. So you can, I know a lot of people have this mindset, which I used to have when I first started. My mindset was just buy and hold on, but that's not what I do anymore. Why? Because I don't want to buy and then Bitcoin goes to 70,000, then I hold on and it drops all the way back to 33,000 and I lost all those gains. If you sold on a November 11th with me, you sold the top. And what I've learned to do in stocks and cryptos is time the market. And people say, oh, it's never good to time the market, but that's actually bullshit in my opinion. In my opinion, it is good to time the market. It is good to learn technical analysis, know when it's going to drop, sell before it drops, know when to buy on the bottom, and then buy. That way you make 100% when it goes up. You sell the top, it drops 50%. You don't lose that 50%, and then you can buy again on the bottom, and when it goes back up, you made another 50%. You can really stack gains that way and build small amounts of capital into large amounts of capital. Let's jump back in. So we're going to go into Bitcoin. So on the daily, it's heading down. A lot of volume coming in, but it's still pushing down. My target is here. This target here, 37,793. Stochastic on the 4-hourly is very oversold, but I do believe we're at least going to come down to 39,000. My target is 37,000. Why? Because we're playing out this kind of descending. We've got a descending trend line and then kind of a bearish pennant playing out. So I think we're going to be bouncing around here. We really need this 37,000, almost 38,000 to hold. 4-hourly we're oversold and volume coming in. But I still think with the narrative and everything that's playing out right now, 38,230 will actually be the target. We're below the EMA ribbons. They're heading down. The VPVR right now, the major support is at the 38,000. So I do expect that's where we're going to bounce very strongly. That's where our open longs. Crypto Guru bot is still showing a buy. You get that in the course. And the Bitcoin indicator, it fired a sell, and we've been heading down since the sell. Stochastic oversold, and on the hourly, we are also heading down further. The target is 38,000. I had a short. I wanted to open a short here. I'll show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you'll find the links to Bybit in the description and pin comment. Then it'll open you this trading account. In this account, I have 187,000 US dollars, 4.59 Bitcoin. I've got nearly all in USDT, 182,000 US dollars in almost all US dollars. Everything is US dollars right now. I've got a short open from my previous video on Ethereum, up 20%. That short is playing out. It was only a $5,000 short. It's $500 worth of $500 short, which is 10x leverage, 5,000. It's already made $100. So with $500, I already made $100 profit. I had an open order for Bitcoin to short at 42,475, but it didn't actually get back there before it dropped. It came to 41,800. So I missed out on that short. We could have had some gains, but I do believe we're going to be coming down. There's a lot of support at 39,000 though. There's so much support here, but I think we'll get down to 38,000. So I could go short for that extra 1,000 right where we are now. So I'll open a short where we are right now with a very tight stop. My stop loss will just be here. It's a very tight, just a very small trade with a very tight stop loss. And the take profit will be 38,148. So I'm risking 1,400 to make 2,600. It's a 1.87 ratio trade, which is beautiful. So I'm going to go open a short now. My stop loss 42,187. So I'm going to close this order and open the short right now. I'm going to do a market short on Bitcoin. So BTC USDT, you can learn this in my course. I'm going to do a $500 short, just a small one. Open short on Bitcoin right now. Done. Short is now open on Bitcoin, and my take profit is going to be 38,200, and my stop loss 42,187. 42,837, no, 42,187, and 38,100 my take profit. Wait, 42,187, 42,187, and take profit is 38,141, 38,141. So I'm risking $187 to make $322. Nice risk to reward. Confirm. That trade is now open. I've got my Ethereum trade open. It's 23% in the profit since earlier today. I'll actually make this trade a little bit bigger on Bitcoin. Oh, no, it's actually good just because we're in a very strong supports here. And this is my account. Again, I've got $187,000 in here on this, and these trades are small. This Bitcoin trade's very small, $5,000 Bitcoin trade, and this Ethereum is a $5,000 Ethereum trade. So let's check out Ethereum. My targets for Ethereum are, let's check for Ethereum. My target for Ethereum will be, oh, Ethereum can drop pretty strongly. My target for Ethereum will be 2,317, but I've got my take profit on Ethereum at the take profit is 2,292. So yeah, around here, that's where my target would be for Ethereum. But if this plays out, Ethereum can drop massively, everyone. We could really be going down to at least 1,700 for Ethereum is another major support. 1,700 is possible for Ethereum. So I'm going to actually, no, I'll take profits here and then I'll check the trade and adjust it when the time comes. You can also follow me on Twitter. I post a lot of things on Twitter, everyone. You can make sure the Twitter is this same James Crypto Guru. Make sure this account information, blue ticker, I'm now verified. And just things that I post about cryptocurrency, and this is also, we've got a new map for Magicraft. Check it out. There's a new realm map for Magicraft. New map for the MCRT game. So that's what's happening to Bitcoin. I think we're going to be dropping down to those major supports. Then we'll see when we get there. I am still now is the time to start adding into Bitcoin, but again, we're at points with the narrative, this war, there is potential big drops, so we've got to be very careful here. And we got rejected off that major support. So make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. And again, the Bybit link is down below. You can use that link to sign up to my courses, and the Bybit link to start trading and use the trading software I'm doing. What do you think is happening? Do you think, in my opinion, we're very close to the bottom. I'm a day trader, so I'm going to wait to try and get the exact bottom and pile in with a lot. But you can actually start laddering down here. Even where we are right now is very, very cheap compared to the 70,000 that we were before. Even if Bitcoin was to drop down to 28,000 or 25,000, does it really matter saving that 10,000 and missing a huge run? I think we're going down a little bit more, but I'm starting in other positions. I'm buying Bitcoin every day for long-term holds, but for my trading positions, I'm currently selling and in US dollars on my stocks and my crypto, because I do think we're going to have one big nuke event on the stock markets and the crypto markets that are going to push us down. Hopefully it's not caused by an actual nuke. Let me know, what do you think? Do you think we've got more to fall in the comment section, or are you starting to buy everything? Do you think we're heading up? Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.